I wrote out a to-do list for today by the hour, so if I stick to this, I should be able to get on top of my work for this week. Inhales the smell of butter. I am ready to make my new predictions already. Let's see how this goes.
Yep. I mean, intuition.
Oh, Jaguars versus Bengals. Both big cats. Huh. This one's gonna be a tough one. I only got 5 matchups correct last week. So I got 6 out of 1, 2, 3, 15. Ooh. That's a rough go.
Well, I mean, 50-50 each single one, not combined.
But that's still not half. So
Okay,
it's okay. I'm gonna be optimistic about it.
or perhaps maybe the forested portions of the South, and so we have a particular reason for that. Did anybody find out who his mom was?
Santa Monica.
되겠구나 생각했어요.
다들 잘했어요. 용기 있게.
박수환 학생?
무난하게 잘한 것 같아요.
너무 길어. 고음은 좋은데 김은결 친구 자신이 없지.